A new day means a new beginning. So take a deep breath, smile and start again. Good afternoon to one and all present here. I, Chaitanya, and I, Bhuvi, are extremely privileged to have this opportunity to address you all at this important moment for celebrating our annual function. On the behalf of our class, 10th we welcome you today. What promises to be a memorable celebration of talent and achievement.
Today, we have got a golden opportunity to present our annual function on the topic Money and Credit. A day without prayer is a day without blessings. So let's greet this day with the blessings of Almighty, the Creator of whole universe. So please stand up and take your positions. Put your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the pledge.
O God, I offer you my studies, thoughts, words, and actions of this day. Enlighten my mind, strengthen my memory, guide me to do what's right. Amen.
Good and inspiring thoughts can change your whole day. So here comes Arpan of our class for thought of the day.
Good morning, everyone. The thought of the day is money is whatever is accepted in exchange for goods and services, not accepted as an object to be consumed, but as an object that represents a temporary abode of purchasing power to be used for buying still other goods and services. Thank you.
Skit is always impactful and endearing to make you understand the topic more. So here comes a skit.
Money is a fascinating subject and full of curiosities. Modern forms of money are linked to the banking system. Credit is a crucial element in the economic life, and it is therefore important to first understand this in a conceptual manner. With that being said, good morning. Today we are presenting a skit on money and credit. Have you ever wondered why transactions are made in money? The reason is so simple, so let's find out.
Barter is an act of trading goods or services between two or more parties without money or monetary mediums such as credit cards. In essence, bartering involves the provision of one good or service by one party in exchange for another good or service by another party.
Scene 1. Shoe seller, clothes seller and wheat seller need each other in order to sell their goods.
I want to sell my shoes in the market and buy wheat.
I want to sell my wheat and buy clothes.
I want to sell my clothes and buy shoes.
All the parties have to agree to sell and buy their commodities. This is known as double coincidence of warrants. It is an essential feature of barter system.
In contrast, in an economy where money is in use, it is no longer necessary for a shoe manufacturer to look for a farmer to buy his wheat at the same time sell him his shoes. Scene 2. Now we will learn about check and their uses. A check is a paper instructing the bank to pay a specific amount from the person's account to the person in whose name the check has been issued.
I have to make a payment to the ladder supplier. Since it is a huge amount, so instead of cash, I will give him a check.
He goes to the ladder supplier with the check.
So please take this check instead of cash. Kindly provide my material on time.
Thank you, sir.
The ladder supplier takes the check and deposits it in the bank.
The money is transferred from bank account to another bank account in couple of days. The transaction is complete without any payment of cash.
Now let us learn about interest rates and loans. There is an interesting mechanism at work here. Bank keeps only a small percentage of their deposits as cash with them. For example, banks nowadays in India keep only about 15% of their deposits as cash. Trevor deposits 5 lakhs in bank.
Good morning, sir. I've kept the money in bank so that it is safe and I'll get interest.
Thank you, sir. Your money has been added to your account and you will get interest rate of 2.75% per annum.
Thank you, sir.
Hello sir, I am Garvit and I want a sum of rupees 5 lakh as loan for my new house in New Delhi and will be paid after 5 years with interest. Here are the documents of my new house in New Delhi as collateral.
Every loan agreement specifies an interest rate which the borrower must pay to the lender along with the repayment of the principal. In addition, lender may demand collateral against loans. Collateral is an asset that the borrower owns and uses this as a guarantee to the lender until the loan is repaid.
Please show your employment records and salary before the bank. Congratulations, you will get house loan. The interest rate will be at 18% payable in yearly installments.
Thank you sir, I will repay your loan in monthly installments.
Thank you, sir, for working with us.
After 5 years, he was free from his home loan with monthly installments.
Now we will learn about self-help group. Mohan is a poor farmer who wants a loan of 10 lakh rupees for buying seeds, fertilizer, etc. He found 15 people who were in same conditions.
I want 10 lakhs, but banks are not ready to give me loan because I don't have any guarantee or collateral.
I am not that rich that I can get loans from banks, so I have to get money from the local money lender at an interest rate of 69% per annum.
My condition is also similar.
They find 15 more people who are in the same condition.
Let's form a self-help group in which we will save rupees 25 to 100 per person depending on the ability of the people to save.
And anyone in need will get the collected amount without any collateral, but very small interest rate of 0.5% per annum.
Many people joined this SHG and now known as Shahpura Farmers Association of 120 plus farmers and is backed by government also.
In this kit, we have seen the modern forms of money and how they are linked to the banking system. On one side are the depositors who keep their money in the banks and on the other side are the borrowers who take loan from the banks. Also, the poor should get a much greater share of formal loans from the banks, cooperative societies, etc. as these steps are important for development. With that being said, we'll wrap up this kit. Thank you everyone.
Welcome everyone to our group discussion on money and credit. This topic is fundamental to understand the dynamics of economics and financial systems. So let's begin by exploring the concept of money as a medium of exchange.
Money is a medium of exchange that facilitates transaction between parties. It eliminates the need for barter system in which commodities are directly exchanged.
Absolutely, Dash. Money streamlines economic activities and trade on a much larger scale. However, with the advent of modern technologies, we are witnessing the emergence of newer forms of money.
That's right, Dash. Modern forms of money include digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which operate independently of the traditional banking system. These cryptocurrencies leverage the blockchain technology to enable secure and decentralized transactions.
Additionally, central banks are exploring the issuance of digital currencies known as central bank digital currencies. These digital representations of fiat currency could revolutionize the way we transact and interact with money.
Thank you for highlighting these developments. Now let's shift our focus toward banks and loan activities. Banks play a crucial role in channelizing the funds from the sales to the borrower. Ayush, can you tell us how these activities impact the economic growth?
Banks provide loans to individuals, businesses and government, allowing them to invest in productive activities, purchase goods and services and fund infrastructure projects. This injection of credit stimulates economic activity and results in growth.
However, it's essential to recognize the importance of responsible lending practices. Banks must assess the creditworthiness of borrowers and they may ensure that loans are utilized effectively to avoid defaults and financial instability.
Absolutely, Bhumika. Terms of credits play a significant role in determining the accessibility of loans. What factors should be considered when establishing these terms?
Well, Nishtha, transparency and fairness are paramount when defining the terms of credit. Borrowers should be provided with clear information regarding interest, repayment schedules, or any associated fees and penalties.
There are certain ways through which the bank controls the supply of money and credit. First, bank rate. It is a rate of which the RBI provides the loan to commercial banks without keeping any security.
Repo rate, the interest rate at which commercial banks borrow money from the central bank, pledging government securities as collateral.
Second rate, reverse repo rate, the rate of interest at which central bank borrows money from commercial bank for a short term.
Flexibility is also crucial, especially for borrowers facing unforeseen circumstances. Offering options such as grace periods or loan restructuring can help alleviate financial stress and prevent default.
Thank you for emphasizing this principle. Now let's turn our attention to the formal credit sector in India. Granth, how does the formal banking sector contribute to the financial inclusion and development in the country?
Formal banking sector in India plays a vital role in providing access to financial services to a wide range of individuals and businesses. By offering loans, savings accounts and other financial products, banks promote economic empowerment and growth.
Additionally, initiatives such as microfinance have helped to expand access to credit in rural and underserved areas, driving entrepreneurship and livelihood opportunities.
Well articulated. Finally, let us discuss the role of self-help groups in supporting the poor and marginalized communities in India. Krishnan, how these groups empower individuals and promote financial inclusion?
SHGs enable individuals, particularly women, to pool their resources and access credit for income-generating activities. Through collective savings and peer support, members can invest in small businesses, agriculture, and education, thus lifting themselves out of poverty.
Moreover, self-help groups foster a sense of community and solidarity, empowering members to advocate for their rights and interests. They serve as a platform for skill development, capacity building, and social mobilization, contributing to holistic development.
Thank you everyone for your insightful contribution to this discussion. It's evident that money and credit are not just economic tools, but also instruments for social change and empowerment. Let's continue to explore these topics and their implications for building a sustainable and inclusive economics. Thank you.
Music is a piece of art that goes straight from ears to heart. So let's welcome a student of our class for a beautiful English song.
Everyone, please sing with me. Seems that everybody's got a price. I wonder how they sleep at night. When the sales come first and the truth comes second, just stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so damn mysterious. Got your shades on your eyes and your heels so high that you can't even have a good time. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? We're praying with love tonight. It's not about your money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag and about the cha-ching, cha-ching and about the ba-bling, ba-bling. Wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. We need to take it back in time when music made us all unite. And it wasn't low blows at the video halls. I'm the only one getting tired. Why is everybody so obsessed? Money can't buy us happiness. Can we all slow down and try right now? Guarantee we'll be feeling alright. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? We're playing with love tonight. It's not about your money, money, money. We don't need your money, money. gonna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag and about the cha-ching, and about the yeah, bubbling, gonna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Thank you.
Poetry is not about what the poet says, but the poet says. So please welcome Bhuvi and Chaitanya for English poem.
In the realm of trade and wealth untold. In the realm of trade and wealth untold, where fortunes rise and stories unfold. Money reigns, a mighty force, guiding paths along its course. Credit, a dance of trust and sway. Credit, a dance of trust and sway, building bridges day by day. Borrowed dreams, investments made on promises and debts are fake as they. From markets bustling with eager hands, from markets bustling with eager hands, to banks where power firmly stands. Money flows, a river wide, in current strong it doth abide. Yet beware the lure of gold, yet beware the lure of gold, for greed can tarnish hearts grown cold. Credit's promise, a delicate thread, too much reliance leaves us misled. Inflation's grip, a tightening vice. Inflation's grip, a tightening vice, as currencies falter, fortunes dice. Economics, a complex dance, where money and credit hold chance. So let's tread with cautious stride. So let's tread with cautious stride in the economic tide, for in the balance of give and take lies the path that we must make. Lies the path that we must make. Thank you.
रामधारी सिंह दिनकर जी के अनुसार कविता वह सुरंग है जिसके भीतर से मनुष्य एक विश्व को छोड़कर दूसरे विश्व में प्रवेश करता है। कविता के कुछ भावों को लेकर आपके सामने प्रस्तुत है सांची और दीपांशी गुप्ता।
अर्थशास्त्र की यह कहानी, अर्थशास्त्र की यह कहानी, धन और उधार बनी मनमानी।
पैसे का साम्राज्य, शक्ति अमोल, इसी की राह पर चलता हर कोई, कदम उसी पर जमाने को।
विश्वास की बुनियाद उधार का संगम, विश्वास की बुनियाद उधार का संगम, रचा जाता है जीवन का एक अद्वितीय रंगम।
बाजार की शोरगुल से भरी आवाज, बाजार की शोरगुल से भरी आवाज, बैंकों में जितना है उतना है उनका राज।
किंतु सावधान रहे इस धन की भूख से, किंतु सावधान रहे इस धन की भूख से, लालच ले लेता है हृदय की सर्दी।
मुद्राओं के बिखरने की हो जब शुरुआत, मुद्राओं के बिखरने की हो जब शुरुआत, अर्थव्यवस्था में बदल जाती है हर एक बात।
धन और उधार का ये खेल, धन और उधार का ये खेल, हर एक कदम को समझे और रखे इस पर कड़ी नजर।
अर्थशास्त्र की यह कहानी, धन और उधार बनी मनमानी।
धन्यवाद।
Music gives soul to universe, wings to mind, flight to imagination, and life to everything. So now, some of the students of our class are going to present a Hindi song.
कैसी पहेली है ये कैसी
refreshes your mind. It makes you confident and kills the negativity within you. So get ready for a wonderful classical dance performance.
खामोशियों में, सुबह की शुरुआत में, मौसम की बारिश में, हर एक ख्वाहिश में संगीत ही संगीत है। इसी संगीत की धुन में सबको रंग में प्रस्तुत है एक देश राग।
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम अलीजा है और आज मैं आप सबके सामने एक देश राग प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ।
सा
Music is the language of heart, where word fail, music speaks. So please welcome students of our class for an instrumental performance.
The Indian civilization is the greatest civilization ever. This land have gave birth to many great warriors like Mahavir, Chandragupta and Porus, who even turned the great Alexander away. But our history is very long. So students of my class are going to present a rap song which summarizes our great history spanned over 1,000 years in a few minutes.
एक सभ्यता जो बड़ी पनपी थी, वैदिक युग में वेदों के लिए संस्कृत में संस्कृति जन्मी थी। सनातनों की धरती थी, जैन और बुद्धों की जननी भी, चाणक्य नीति की जन्मभूमि, नालंदा में विद्या पढ़ती थी। बुद्ध थे महावीर भी, चंद्रगुप्त का तीर भी, सैकड़ों में पल्लवों ने मंदिरों की भर गई नींव भी, अशोक जैसे यहाँ वीर भी, छूनी कलिंग में जीत दी, सेनानी पोरस ने सिकंदर की मिट्टी की पलीद की। गुप्तों का स्वर्ण युग था महान, सतवाहना, शुंगा, कुषाण, पल्लव, नंदा और मौर्य, तंबापरी, पांड्या, पांचाल, राजपुताना, ठाकुर, शंकराचार्य, ज्ञान बांध, पृथ्वीराज, सियान बांध, जो हार के नहीं रहा हार मन, चौड़ इतिहास पे लूटा गौरी तैमूर ने भर के, फिर बिना हिली टांगे, अब्दुल गफ्फार, पीर अली खान, वंशज खुदीराम के, गंगाधर तिलक, भगत सिंह जी हम चले विपिन पाल के, है गर्व हमें इसी बात पे। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। हम गर्व है कि यहाँ धर्म है, हमारा धर्म है जो है जन्म से है, में बड़ा फक्र है, तो कोई पर्व है तो कोई लफ्ज है, अति की देव हो न फर्ज, दुश्मनी हो तो बुद्धि ये गर्म है, साहित्यकारों की कलम किसानों ने मिट्टी कर दी स्वर्ण है। मैथिली और पंजाबी, मराठी, पहाड़ी, गुजराती, कश्मीरी से बंगाली, मल्लू, दाजू, संग, मद्रासी, ये सचिन की माटी, अटल की माटी, मैरी, साइना, लता की माटी, ये है रहमान की माटी, शाहरुख, अमिताभ की माटी। माटी उस हर गुरु की जो विद्या देके बनाता काबिल, माटी उस नेता की जो लड़ता रहता हक के खातिर, माटी उस बाप की जो करवाता बेटे फौज में शामिल, माटी उस माँ की बेटा जिसका आया न लड़के वापस, माटी उस फौजी की जो छाती पर खाता है गोली, माटी उसकी सुन ना पाया बेटे बेटे की बोली, माटी उस फौजी की जो घर बनाए ना लोड़ी बोली, माटी उसकी लिट्टी तिरंगे में उसकी आंखें जो। ये देश मेरा बलिदानियों का, ये देश है जवानों का, ये देश है हिंदू और सरदारों का, ये देश मेरे मातरम, ये देश है गिरजाघरों और अजानों का, ये देश मेरा भगवानों का, ये देश है अलबेलों और हिंदुस्तानों का, ये देश मेरा इंसानों 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 का। जय हिंद।
Sometimes all you need is dance, a therapy that brings you back the power you have. So students of our class are going to perform a group dance.